Let's make the O.F.T.D Painkiller from Planteray Rum. To make this drink, we are going to start out with our orange juice. We're going to put in 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. We're going to put that in our shaker. 2 1/3 ounces of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. 2 1/3 ounces is 70 milliliters. 1 ounce of your cream of coconut, and in this case I am using my own coconut syrup recipe. The recipe for this is on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And yes, there's a label on here. That's because I'm working on bottling and selling them. Work in progress. If I die later because of this drink, you'll know it was the cream of coconut or the coconut syrup. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And finally, your rum. 1 1/3 ounces of your O.F.T.D rum. 1 1/3 ounces is 40 milliliters. Add some ice and give it a shake. Official glass for this drink is a Collins, and they do say to fine strain into that glass, so that's what I'm going to do. And to me, this doesn't fill up the glass very well, does it? The recipe does not call for an ice-filled glass, but honestly, I'm going to get some ice and put it in here because I think it'll look better, and it'll help keep it colder longer. Now that I have some ice, I'm going to put a couple cubes into the glass, and yes, I'm using my fingers. Either I'll drink it or my wife will drink it. We'll see what happens. Add a straw. Okay, that looks better. And the garnish. The garnish calls for a slice of pineapple. How big is round is a pineapple? I don't know that that would fit in the glass. Their picture on their website does show a wedge of pineapple. I don't have a wedge, so I'm going to use a couple of pineapple chunks. And there you have it, the O.F.T.D Painkiller from Planteray Rum. Drink with good spirits. See, that's not too sweet.